Okay, folks, made a little bit of progress on the bike. I've got the rear wheel off, the fender, all the wiring stuff there. Main wiring harness is still mostly attached to the bike there, though. Do have to get that off. I think I've got everything pretty much disconnected, so the motor can come out. I've got the carburetor out. I just have to get a jack and put up underneath the motor there. I've got all the bolts loosened and ready to go. So it is looking less and less like a bike, which I guess is what I want. Still not sure if this is what I should be doing or not, but you know, I enjoy taking things apart and messing with them, fixing them up. Plus, I think it's a great learning opportunity for me to find out, you know, what makes the bike run, where all the wiring goes, and how it all works. So, I'm not sure about this here, how I get that off the drive shaft. I guess I just need to undo these bolts, but I'm not sure how to get in there with that in the way. So I'll have to keep doing some research on that. But so far so good. Got everything off. Wheel, seat, brakes actually look pretty good. There's the fender. I'd love to get rid of this back seat and just do a bobber, but I think for now I'm gonna keep what I got. Got the auxiliary fuel tank out. I'm gonna clean that up. Got some braided stainless fuel line. Gonna use all that in all my fuel lines and other lines where I can. Carburetor, you know, I think I may just clean it up a little bit, but other than that, you know, again, it was running perfectly good running bike, and I've dismantled it. So, side panels here, they're in good shape. There's some, kind of make out the cracks right there. I'm gonna have to do some sanding, I'm sure, once I get the paint off, but should be good to go. Got a nice drawer full of parts. Been shining, you know, gonna shine those up. Been doing some sanding. This could take me through the winter. I don't know, but I'm having fun with it. So if you got any suggestions or questions or anything like that, feel free to ask away. Over and out.